equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, ensure your Xiaomi Vacuum S12 is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is typically found at the base of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are usually 3 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you will see the battery. Now, disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector. You can use your tweezers to grip the connector and pull it out gently. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. After disconnecting the old battery, it's time to install the new one. Take your new battery and align the connector with the socket. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely connected. Before replacing the battery cover, it's a good idea to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Now, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the cover is secured, turn the vacuum back on to test the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Xiaomi Vacuum S12. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you with all your vacuum maintenance needs. Enjoy your clean home with your newly powered Xiaomi Vacuum S12. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.